Presentation by Daniel S. Gonzalez. This is the three types of fault: normal fault, reverse fault, and strike-slip fault. Normal fault. Normal fault is a very vertical and occurs in areas where Earth's plates are pulled apart because of a divergent plates boundary nearby. On this, the hanging wall moves downward relative to the footwall. The fault plane is the flat surface that marks where the rock cracked and slipped. Rever- Reverse fault. Reverse fault is a nearly vertical fault created when our Earth's crust is compressed when two plates collide, where the hanging wall moves upward relative to the footwall. Strike-slip fault. Strike-slip fault is a horizontal fault where the areas of rock slide past one another. These events occur in regions where transform plates boundaries are present. The San Andreas Fault in California is an example of a strike-slip fault. Examples of the faults. The East African Rift. The East African Rift is an example of a normal fault. The East African Rift is where the continent is slowly splitting apart into two other plates, the Nubian Plate to the west and the Somali Plate to the east. It's a huge crack in the Earth's crust. This process could cause a new ocean. Example of the East African Rift. Wala. The Himalayas. The Himalayas, which is an example of reverse faults. The Himalayas are the world's largest mountain range located in Asia. The Himalayas are formed by Indian tectonic plate collision against the Eurasian tectonic plate, which formed 40 to 50 million years ago. Example of the Himalayas. Wow. Alpine fault. The Alpine fault, which is an example of the strike-slip fault. The Alpine fault is called a strike-slip fault or transform fault, where the Pacific plate side slides past the Australian plate, creating earthquakes and shaping the southern Alps. Example of the Alpine fault. Wow. That's all. Thank you for watching my presentation.